How's it going, everyone? I got a new Zippo lighter for you guys here, and this one right here is probably my most favorite one that I've picked up so far. I got this one at a cigar smoke shop, and as soon as I saw it, I just fell in love with it, and I knew I had to get it. So without further ado, can we get a drum roll? It is the Mazzi Tall Ship. I think it looks awesome. Very unique. It's a Mazzi. Pretty, they're not very common. Couldn't believe they had this one in the smoke shop. And let me take it out. It's on a, I believe this is a street chrome finish, and just check that artwork out. There we go. Look at that. Just unbelievable artwork. It's made in K of 2012, which is November of 2012, and I'm definitely a fan of the Mazzi lighters, and this one right here is probably, I'd say from all the ones that I've seen, is probably one of my favorites. It sounds fantastic. Oh god, that sound is amazing. Sounds great. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with Mazzi, you can pause that and read it if you want. But he's a professional airbrush artist. There we go. That's more focused. Yeah, so he does professional artwork, mostly airbrushing, and some of his designs they put on these Zippo lighters. And the Tall Ship one, I think, looks awesome. So yeah, that's my Mazzi lighters, my first Mazzi lighter. Definitely like it a lot. Happy I found it. And yep, hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And stay tuned for the next review. Take care.